Okay, so we're going to try to figure this out today to see what's next in Palantir stock. Because I told you on my last video in Palantir on October the 16th, which was 2 days ago, I wanted to see the buyers. I wanted to see them approach the market in Palantir. And yes, they did. They came through on yesterday's trading action, even the day that we did the video. They're still here. So what's next? You may be saying, oh, well, obviously the market's going to go high, right? Yes, it may. Now, once you make that statement, the next idea is, okay, how high will the market in Palantir now go? Because those buyers has confirmed that they're willing to open up their wallets and purchase Palantir at or around $17. They told us that over the last 2 days of trading. But at what point will they become sellers? Is it on these 2 days here, October the 10th and the 11th, to where Palantir saw an increase in selling around $18.45? Maybe. But one thing that we do know is that since price has held $17 as support, and since price is currently trending above our ascending line, the market definitely is leaning more towards being on the buyer side right now. So I think the idea today on the video is going to be, okay, how high will price go then? Let's try to see if we can figure it out. So let's go ahead and let's get rid of this line here. First target will obviously be around $18.40, like I told you earlier, because that was the last time Palantir could not break above. The buyers could not do it. Look at this on the 2-day chart, 8 hours and 57 minutes. I want to see the market in Palantir close on the high. That's what I want to see. Because if I do see that, then I will definitely become a little bit more bullish. But I can't, because this 2-day price bar hasn't finished printing. It's still printing. So at the conclusion of today's trading price action, if the market in Palantir closed anywhere off of the highs, let's say that it closed down here at the very bottom, then that market in Palantir definitely may not even hit $18.50. I'm just trying to show you what to be on the lookout for in the next 8 hours and 56 minutes. If the market in Palantir closes at the very high of the bar, then we can say that, well, maybe $18.47 won't hold back the buyers, that the buyers may actually take the market to $19. It all depends on how the market is feeling today. Palantir on the 3-day chart, same thing. 5-day time frame, 8 hours and 56 minutes left. This is a probable precursor, meaning that we need to let the next 5 days print. And if it closes higher than this current 5-day price bar, then we can say, yeah, the market is still a buyer's market. But I can't say that yet neither, because we still have 8 hours and 56 minutes left before it finishes printing. So what do you do? When you have a lot of indecision on the chart, you simply wait. There's always opportunities in the markets. 7-hour chart. Okay, you can already kind of see off the 7-hour chart that those buyers are having problems already right here. Here it is on the 5. You can already see where the buyers are having problems. This is where the initial stage of selling started. And they're still there. The selling is still occurring. So where will those buyers step back in the market? $17.50? Will they come all the way back down to $17? 3-hour chart. 1 hour. We're not really seeing any follow through off of this massive spread. Like, this is where those buyers really confirm, yes, I'm willing to buy Palantir now. This is where they made that statement. And now it's kind of waning. They're leaving, like they're not there. So the sooner that we find those buyers, again, it's like the market is on a search and rescue, is trying to find, okay, where are you at? Where are the buyers? Because once they appear, the market will stop going down and we will see price in Palantir continue to go higher. Last one, 330-minute chart. So to me, what it looked like the market in Palantir is going to do, it's going to try to do something like this for a little bit. Or it may do something like this. And then finally break out. Okay. So basically, when you weigh the probabilities of what we see on the chart now, right? You have to say Palantir has a higher probability of going up than it does going down as of right now. So that's the price prediction that I'm going to drop. But as I told you on these different time frames, i.e. the 2-day chart, as well as on the 5, we got to let these bars finish printing before we can say, yeah, the market definitely is bullish. Or we can say, yeah, the market definitely is not able to go higher because we saw a lot of selling today. Something that we cannot predict. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart though. We're going to look for Palantir to continue to attempt to go up. And the first target, like I told you, is right there around $18.40, 3.31%. And then my second target is going to be right there around like $18.90, which is 5 3/4. And I don't want the market in Palantir to fall below the low that occurred on October 16th. Okay. So let me clean up this chart. Do that there. And we'll see which one of these lines price in Palantir will break. So that's it. I am finished. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want more simplistic content and understand as to how price action really works without being confused. Now you're up. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.